Okay, Bob, what do we have here?
1951 Ford Woodie, original 239 flathead V8. They were called Country Squires. 239 cubic inch flathead engine. It has a 3-speed with overdrive standard shift. Restored by Nick Macaluso and I don't know, 25 years ago, and then owned by Roger Battistone, and now I own it.
And you said something that Nick Alexander, the Woodie collection, wanted at one time?
Nick expressed interest more than once on it. Roger Battistone's offered to take it over there for me if I wanted to.
And this is all original wood?
Yes. I don't know if anything's not original, and I believe I have the original radio in storage.
Great.
Runs well. This car can go down the freeway 65 miles an hour if so desired.
And it's got overdrive?
Overdrive.
Is it 12 volt or 6 volt?
6 volt, original 6 volt system. Starts very well, even if it hasn't been started in much. It has a manual choke.
Huh. Would you mind jumping in there and starting it for me?
No. No, I don't mind.
How many miles does the odometer show? 24,095. Okay. Runs great.
Signals work. My grandkids like that.
Great, Bob. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.